Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to program VW Passat garage door opener, only way. Press and hold your garage remote near the car's overhead console and put the ignition in accessory mode, not fully on. Locate the program button on the console, then press and hold it until the indicator light starts blinking. While it blinks, press the remote button you want to copy until the car light confirms pairing, then test the opener from outside. Begin by turning the key to accessory so electronics are live. Hold the garage remote about 3 to 6 inches from the overhead console. Press and keep holding the console's program button until the indicator begins a steady flash. While it flashes, press the remote button you want to program several times. Release both buttons once the light changes, and confirm by pressing the new in-car button to open the garage door. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice control and music while you work on your car. It fits on a shelf and sounds great in garages and kitchens alike. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If programming doesn't work, first swap the remote battery and try again from the beginning. Move away from routers, phones, and other remotes to reduce interference during pairing. For rolling code garage motors, you may need to initiate the motor head's teach mode after the car pairing so the motor accepts the new signal. Always test the button outside the vehicle and retry steps calmly until the door responds consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.